I came into this game for the action, the excitement. Go anywhere, travel light, get in, get out. Wherever there's trouble, a man alone.
Right. Doing a water heater install. And of course it's not draining. I can reuse these right here. Yes, ma'am.
I have 3 items that I always ask people about before I offer it to them.
Okay.
Do you eat hazelnuts, raisins, or walnuts?
Walnuts.
Walnuts, not
Yeah.
raisins or hazelnuts.
I don't really know what a hazelnut is, to be honest with you.
That Rocher candy in the gold wrapper.
Oh.
That's sprinkled with hazelnuts. A lot of people like them, but I don't.
Okay.
I don't eat very many nuts because I'm allergic to so many things.
Right. Well, you want to throw them in there?
I will.
It's up to you.
Okay, no, because I'm not using them at all.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right. This thing's leaking. This thing's leaking from all over. Anyway, so it's draining, kinda. I don't know what's holding it up. I'm probably gonna have to pull this valve. And we have a gate valve. See that gate valve? I hate gate valves. They never shut off all the way. They leak. They're super crappy. So I don't know if I could pull it, but I don't have another shut off valve. So there's something going on here that's pretty banged up. So other than that, the supply lines look pretty good. I think this guy's, yeah, it's still got water coming out. But right now, my biggest obstacle is just to get the tank to drain so I can get it out of here and get this discharge line removed. New one's going to be on the top. I bought all new PVC for that, so got to get this thing out. There we go. Money shot. And grabbed a bucket. That was a good call. Alright, sorry. My phone is literally blowing up right now. I shouldn't even have it with me. I put some straps in here. I got a bunch of these, so went ahead and put some water heater straps. I like these seatbelt kind. And I replaced a corroded line up here. I'm going to keep this one because it's soldered. It's got a good seal on it. Just need to tighten that down, and then I think we're ready to get this thing installed and connected. And then I got 3/4 PVC, but I'm going to have to kind of adapt to this 1-inch. And then fire it up and connect the ducting, which hopefully should go pretty well. So yeah, I don't usually add water heater straps, but you know, I think these are pretty easy to use. Hopefully. They're super long. So anyway, got some parts off this bad boy. Super excited about the valve and the burner assembly, but yeah, people. I really like those these seatbelt straps. These things go on quick. Got it connected at the top. So you do the ducting and do the PVC discharge line and fill it up, and then it's on to the next one. Okay, ducting is on. I had to replace this. The one I had was leaking. Imagine that. Got the ducting, everything's connected, water's turned back on. Gate valve isn't dripping. Now I just gotta shoot over, come down, and then pick up the overflow. It's got a pressure regulator on her house, so hopefully. Alright, she is in, she is on. I just need to adapt this over, so I'll have to go to the store, get a 1/2 inch to 3/4 adapter. But everything's looking good. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. Hey, so believe it or not, I'm starting to run out of water heaters, so I'm going to try and see if I can get 4 of these working.
I came into this game for the action, the excitement. Go anywhere, travel light, get in, get out. Wherever there's trouble, a man alone.